Hi, I'm attorney Derek Gray of Graystar Legal. We are a criminal law firm located here in Winston-Salem, North Carolina, and this is our FAQ series. So today's topic is also going to address drug trafficking charges. Specifically, the question is, how much time will I get if I'm convicted of a drug trafficking charge? Okay, very broad question, so we always go to the statute itself. We've referenced this statute before. In North Carolina, it is North Carolina General Statute 90-95, Subsection H. Specifically as it relates to time, you're looking at the bottom of the range for a drug trafficking conviction, 25 months, all the way up to the top of the range for a drug trafficking conviction, which is 225 months. So you're talking about approximately 2 years all the way up to approximately 19 years. So, and one of the other things we touched on in the prior video was these are minimum mandatory sentences. So you have to serve that minimum threshold time. You could possibly serve more, but you have to serve that minimum threshold time, which makes these types of convictions that much more serious. Specifically because if you go to the statute, you can see how it delineates for each drug what the minimum mandatory sentence will be if you cross a certain threshold of weight. But I'll focus on the top 3 drug trafficking types of crimes that I see. So for a marijuana conviction of at least 10 pounds or more, the minimum mandatory amount of time that you're looking at is 25 months. If we go to cocaine, if you possess more than 28 grams or 28 grams or more of cocaine, the minimum mandatory time that you're looking at is 35 months. And then if you look at heroin or opium, and you possess more than 4 grams or more, then you're looking at a minimum mandatory amount of time of 70 months. So as you can see, it really depends on the type of drug you have, and these are the bottom threshold numbers. The more of that particular drug that you have, those numbers go up to there, all the way up to 225 months. So guys, that was a little rundown on the amount of time that you could potentially get on a drug trafficking conviction. If you have any further questions about drug trafficking charges, or you yourself have a drug trafficking charge, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I would love to discuss with you your options and how we should approach that particular case. Thank you.